Burnt it once, yeah me too. Now we're cooking like pros, kinda it'll do. Flipping it wrong, but it still tastes right. Bushcrafty Cooks, we feast tonight. And as always, happy cooking.
Hey guys, welcome back. It is Bushcrafty Cooks, and today I seen these over at Walmart, and they are a new modern noodle. I guess it's not ramen per se, but it's modern noodle, and this is soy sauce butter. They have multiple flavors. This is IE, I'm guessing. I'm not versed on describing other languages, so you take it the way it comes. But I want to give this a try, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what they look like before we get started with it. See if I can open this up. It's a brand new product. It's the first time we've seen it there. If I can get this open. Pretty good sized package of noodles here. So we'll have to see how they taste. But this is what it looks like. It's got instructions for stovetop and microwave. I will definitely be doing the stovetop. And there's a code if you guys want to use it for whatever purposes. So let's go ahead and get started with this, shall we? See how it tastes. Soy butter, or soy sauce butter is the flavor of these noodles. So let's go ahead and give it a try. Okay, as you can see, we have our 2.5 cups of water in here. And as soon as it starts boiling, we will add our noodles. So hang tight and we'll be back when it starts doing a bubbly thing. Okay, we've got a boil already. I already went ahead and opened these up. Somewhat. Evidently didn't open it enough. I'm going to go ahead and drop these down in there like so. Put the crumbs in there too. It did come with a sauce and a seasoning packet, so we'll have to go check those out. And to be kind of authentic, I got giant toothpicks. Now, these are chopsticks. Go ahead and get these going. The real test is if I can even use these to eat with. I don't know. We will see. I've used chopsticks before, just not very good. So that'll be fun. Okay, we'll be back as soon as these get done cooking. You cook them for about 5 minutes, and we'll be back then. Okay guys, as you can tell, our noodles are about done. And the cats think it's for them, but it's not. We're going to let it go for a couple more seconds. And then we're going to go over to the other side and combine all this stuff together and see how it tastes. So, be back in just a moment. Okay guys, we are back, and I have a ramen bowl. It's not mine, it's my kids. So we have our noodles here, and it tells us to drain except for 2 tablespoons. So what I'm going to do, yes, I'm using a fork. Well, maybe that's not going to be the way to do it. Hey, try to get our noodles out here without the water or the broth or whatever you want to call it. Noodle broth. There we go. Quite a good serving of noodles here. They puffed up really nicely. And I'm probably leaving some in there, but that's okay. It says 2 tablespoons of the broth goes in. So there you go. Put that over there. There's our 2 tablespoons in there. And then add our flavor packets, which is that right there. And this right here. See if we can get this open. There we go. Go ahead and dump this in there. Ooh, that's dark. Okay, now let's go ahead and get this incorporated into each other. Oh yeah, you can smell it. You can smell that soy sauce. I'm not sure what other flavors are in here, but I guess I could read the box or the container, huh? Let's get this all mixed in there like that. Let's go ahead and let that set for a minute. And I will actually read the container, right? It says Modern Noodles. It says savory soy sauce with butter. Oh, okay. I guess that's all there is. So that's what we got there. Okay, let's go ahead and I guess give it a try, shall we? I will try with the chopsticks, which should be interesting. I just want a little bite. Screw it. I'm getting the fork. I give up. Dang, noodles kept slipping off. Oh man, that is actually pretty good. I'm not a big ramen fan because it's most of the instant stuff is kind of bad for you and whatnot, but this actually tastes pretty good. Oh man, I actually like that. That is really good. Nice long noodles. Definitely really good. Yeah, that's really good. And I can go ahead and stick this in my ramen bowl. Make it look like I ate some of that. But there you go. Aria, I'm guessing. Araya, I don't know. Whatever the name of it is. I think these are Korean noodles. I think it's some boy band or something over there is the creator of this or something like that. But definitely something to give a try. I mean, I'm actually going to try some of the other flavors. And if you guys want to, whenever I do try these, I'll make a video on the other flavors of these noodles. If that's something you guys want to watch, let me know, and maybe I'll practice with the chopsticks so I can look like I'm fancy and everything. Until next time, like always, happy cooking.